Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create QR code in online. So get started. At first open your desktop. Now you're going to the any browser. Now choose from Chrome browser. Now select from Chrome browser. Now you can see then you show the new interface and click from search bar. Now we type from create barcode. Create QR code. Now press enter. Now you can see then you show the new interface. Now click from free QR code in generator. Now click from now I select from create QR code. Now you can see then I show the new interface and many option, and firstly website, PDF, image, and I will choose from URL link. Now firstly link copy. Now going to the Facebook. Now my Facebook in copy link. Now press, and second option name your QR optional. Now choose from name and content category. Now choose category and click from customize and download QR code. Now click, then again ready create the QR code. Now click from download QR code. That it's now check the QR code. That it's now you can see create QR code online in is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.